Hello everyone, I'm Pauline Cullen, and in this video I'm going to show you some key features of my vocabulary teaching apps, including how to change topic. When you first download the app, you'll see this screen, which has all of the instructions you need. I've opened the Band 8 Plus app on my phone to show you how this works. So this screen is the main topic menu, and you simply swipe left or right to see the 25 different topics you can choose from. If you want to start a new topic or you need to change topics, you can go back to this menu at any time just by tapping on the topic name in the top left-hand corner. Then, again, simply swipe left or right to select a new topic. Then tap on the word list you want to begin with, and that automatically takes you to the list of exercises. There are 10 exercises that gradually help you learn and remember the words and how to use them. The yellow exercises here are the ones I've already completed. You can go back and review these exercises at any time.
Instantly.
To do that, click on this icon in the top right-hand corner and choose whichever exercise you'd like to review. This means you can review topics to see how much you remember, or repeat exercises you found the most challenging, or even the most helpful. And also check if you can quickly produce the words when you need them. The app is self-contained, so you don't need the internet to use it. And the recording is already built in. So if you're having problems with the sound, just make sure you have sound switched on, or check your headphones.
Instantly. Instantly.
I hope you enjoy using the apps.